My dad calls my brother, when my brother watched telly on Tuesday morning and my brother get a bit dozy, my dad calls him Wally Haribo. When my nose is a bit runny and my brother can't find my hanky, my dad calls him King of the Fools. So that's what it is. Fridge 2, or How I Learnt to Love Fridge. Once my dad went to the fridge and he said, Michael, come here, this fridge is nice. Then I said, I don't know what you'd said. And Dad said, this fridge is nice. Then I said, okay, this fridge is nice. Then I said, that's enough. Okay. I saw our jug in there and I thought, what's in it? Thick cooking oil. Fill my mouth with that thick cooking oil. My mouth is full of oil. Thick cooking oil. I wonder who put that there. So that was that.